Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these tumbling blocks and Christmas tree, both from Dollar Tree. I start by taking 3 tumbling blocks and wood gluing them together, and I end up making 14 sets of those, so 42 blocks in total. I take 4 of those sets of 3 and wood glue those together. Now it says 24 hours for everything to cure, but I can usually work with them again after about half an hour. I then wood glue 10 sets together. After about half an hour, I paint both of those pieces with plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. Next, I'm using the tree and this wood slice that is about the same size around as the bottom of the tree, and I hot glue those pieces together to give it some height. And then take a piece of burlap that I got from Walmart, and I wrap that around the base of the tree, tie some twine to keep that into place, wrap it around a couple times and knot it. And then I go around and trim that burlap so it's just above the twine. I add a very small amount of hot glue under the twine to keep that into place and keep it down. I then take this rusty star that I got from Amazon, and I didn't like the rusty color too much. I want it to show through a little, so I just dry brushed some of that plaster chalk paint onto both sides and then hot glued it to the top of the tree. I then take wood glue and hot glue and add that to the bottom of the set of 10, and then glue that to the edge of the set of 4. Now you can just set the tree on here. I added hot glue to keep it in place. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.